Really good, thank you. How are you?
Doing well. How's Ribfest coming for you?
Ribfest really good. Smoking some Canadian excellent pork here. That's the last of the best.
You also sell chicken, I see.
I work with chicken. Nice, juicy, plummy chicken.
Excellent.
Some smoke flavor here from the apple wood. Be ready to rock and roll.
You gonna take some awards home today?
Oh, we believe so. He got a really good shot. Really good competitors here, but we think we have a really good product and good chance to win again.
Excellent. Well, good luck, my man.
Thank you.